Hi beautiful angels, this is Miss Trixie from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is what is coming next in 48 hours for you friends. So many of you requested this reading friends. Here it is now. Please do subscribe our channel Magic Vans Tarot friends. Like this video, subscribe our channel, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. And if you have already subscribed us, thank you. Many angel blessings. May the Buddha bless you and always fill your life with love and joy. So friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Friends, also join our exclusive Hindi Urdu channel, Magic Vans Tarot Hindi Urdu. The link is in the timestamps, friends. And this is a general reading, friend. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way. The choice is, okay, now let's relax and take a deep breath. And if you like today's setup, like the video, thumbs up, and take a deep breath, relax. Choices today are these beautiful cards, the animals. I was guided to use the animals today, so they are here. Let's take a deep breath, relax, choose option 1, the Justice, the Elephant, happy elephant. Option number 2, the Lion King. This is beautiful. Option number 3, the Dog. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly go there and choose your pile. If also you like, if you are drawn to 2 or more piles, you can choose them also, no problem. You can watch the entire video. That is also cool, not a problem. And we will see what will happen next in 48 hours for you here. So let's begin. So for those who chose option number 1, the Elephant, the Justice card, let us see how your next 48 hours will be. This is your advice for the next 48 hours. I hope you can see the cards. That might help. And this is your oracle card. Let's see your cards. Ooh, that's interesting. The Prince of Autumn. Look at this card. It's beautiful. The Prince of Autumn, the Queen of Autumn, the Lovers, the Wheel of Fortune, very nice. Oops. And the Queen of Winter, the Six of Winter. Oh, today we have space constraint because the cards are too big. The Ten of Winter. Oh my god, wow. We'll see this card in a while. I feel, friends, your next 48 hours, you are going to get a lot of lucky news, or something is going to shift. Your luck is going to shift. And why do I say this? Not only because you have the Wheel card, which is about luck, fortune, but you also have the Justice here in the Elephant. Friends, something is going to shift in your life, and look at that, you also have the Lovers, the Flamingos. Wow. Let's begin. Okay, so what's currently happening? I feel, friends, currently you are not feeling at all good. In the next 48 hours, probably right now, you are ending a situation, or you are really fed up of a situation. It feels like someone has hurted you, or something has come to an end, maybe a relationship, or maybe a career, job or something, or finances. It feels like you're struggling. It's not like the thing has ended, the relationship or the job. It feels like it's I don't know how to say it in English in a polite way. It's like you are at a dead end. You are struggling. Someone has hurt you. Someone has you are on the, someone has stabbed you in the back in relationships or at your work, maybe at money. You probably feel you are not lucky in life. Maybe you are feeling this right now. I feel this is your current energy. the end of a career path, project, or relationship. It brings it brings mixed feelings of joy and sadness, relief and disappointments. Yeah, mixed feelings. You are currently, I say you are not even feeling mixed feelings. You are actually sad and even frustrated. And I feel some of you are even saying your luck is not with you. You may be not trusting your luck. I think some of you are struggling with the situation, maybe a twin flame relationship or a marriage or a relationship or a job, or like you are struggling with money, I feel, or relationship from like past 3 years, 2 years, 5 years. I see a lot of struggle, and it may right now you are feeling it. You are feeling that struggle, that pain, that ending. You are feeling it, but the good news is that you are on the path of recovery. The Six of Winters, things are going to get better for you. The challenging times are coming to an end. Look at the card also says that. And you can now breathe a sigh of relief. Let the past go and embrace the happier times ahead. I think your next 48 hours are going to be very, very happy and lucky for you if you let the past things go. I definitely feel a relationship has ended and you feel like someone has put you in a third party. That person may come back to you in the next 48 hours, or some information regarding that person may come to you, or you may talk with that person, or like you may find out they want to come back, they still miss you, or some message they post on their social media. I see there is a lot of energy of relationships around you, because you have the Lovers, the Queen of Autumn, the Prince of Autumn. Lovers is here, but you feel but you will have a choice definitely in love. Some of you, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or some of you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or you could be these signs: Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So in the next 48 hours, I do see that you will find freedom from a relationship, or something that was stuck in a relationship from a long, long time. You will find some relief, some clarity, some choices, some decisions in relationships in the next 48 hours. Someone has hurted you, someone has left you. Maybe you will be able to come out of that situation very positively. Maybe till right now you do not see that ending, that relationship has ended, or someone has put you in a third party. You still feel sad, you still feel sorry about yourself. But the next 48 hours you are going to change. The next 48 hours are going to change your perception. They are going to bring you luck. Also, something which is stuck is going to move forward. For some of you, this relationship can progress, or some communication will come, because we also have the Queen of Swords here. So some communications may come from your lover, from your relationship, from your husband or wife. I also feel communications regarding money are coming your way in the next 48 hours. You could be getting an idea, so you have to be very careful about the ideas or inspirations you are getting, friends. So write them down, because next 48 hours you can come across a lucky idea or a lucky job or something that will help you to earn more money. Some of you could get some money in the next 48 hours, or an idea to make more money. Some past payments may come in regarding money. I also feel some of you would I think some of you are confused about your job. Like, should you graduate, should you go for higher education or not? I think that will become clear in the next 48 hours. There are some choices right now, but you will get the right answers in the next 48 hours regarding your career. Some of you could be getting a promotion, or some news regarding a promotion. It's like, or maybe if you are in business, you might you might find a way where you can spend less and earn more. I don't know how, but yeah, you are going to do that. Or someone may join you in work. I see you getting a lot of money, or clarity about money, money issues, clarity about your work, which direction you need to or want to go in. I also see your hard work paying off, rewards coming, news coming. I also feel choices, the lovers' choices are coming, especially what you love is important, whether it is in work or in career. In love, I feel some sort of a third party is going on. You will find some clarity, some justice in that situation. And something stuck. If you are stuck in a relationship which has ended, but or like you are single from a long time, suddenly in the next 48 hours, a lot of people starts messaging you because your luck is changing. So that can also happen. I also feel some of you could be dealing with your mother, or, you know, yeah, I feel some of you could be dealing with your mother. You may have some argument. Sorry to say that, but you may have some argument or difference of opinion with your mother or your father figure. Especially if you're a man, you may have some arguments regarding finances with your father. And if you are a woman, it may involve your mother. So that is also there, but I do not see anything bad here, because I see you are very lucky. Harmony will be there. Some sort of, look at this, true and long lasting love finds its way to your life. Follow your heart with clarity, and follow your heart with clarity and make the right choices. See? I definitely feel you may have some confusions or some important communications with people, or someone may communicate important news to you. I also feel something is stuck in your life, friends. Something is really stuck, like you are single from forever, and you're not earning since a long time, or you are in education but you are not earning like you want to earn, or you have to earn because of the current world situation. Family responsibilities have come on you. But things will move ahead, friends. Things will move ahead, and you are going to get the messages. You are going to get the clarity. You are going to get relief. I also feel messages from a past lover, or clarity regarding a past love situation or marriage or family situation is going to come to you. Some of you also are trying to relocate or find a new home, or something regarding a home and family. I think that will also, you will find some clarity. Yes. But mostly it is about some of you being in a third party. Really, it's like being not in a third party. It's like some ending has happened and you are not happy with it, but you will find a relief in the next 48 hours. Let's see your extra cards. Loyal heart, number 35. Yes, someone has a loyal heart towards you, friends. You are also very, very loyal, and someone may have broken your trust. Maybe that person will come back and try to patch up things with you, or maybe you'll find another new loyal heart. Who knows, friends? I see both. Someone from the past, or some clarity from the past, and someone new coming too. You have a loyal heart. Someone will offer you a loyal heart. I also feel like some sort of a relief will come. It is very necessary for you, because and justice, karmic justice, fair decisions will be made after all the evidence is reviewed impartially. Have compassion for others and try to see all the sides of a situation. Look, I also feel you need to stay a little happy in the next 48 hours, because you had been here, in the 10 of swords, stuck, unhappy, not feeling excited about life. But in next 48 hours, your mood will shift. You will feel a little lighter, a little happier, and more like your mind. You should open your mind and see things from a different side, because you have the justice is about 8 Saturn's energy. Saturn is the lord of karma, so things which happened in the past were karmic, or they had to happen. You also have the wheel, so things are shifting positively for you in the next 48 hours. You also have the lovers, good news coming for you, not just in love but in work. And I would say just be careful of your temper in the next 48 hours, because do see that someone, I don't know why, if you may get angry or upset with someone, or someone may say something that may make you upset or angry, or someone around you is angry or upset, maybe a parent, a friend, a father, a colleague, or someone, a boss. So just take care of them. You have to see, like, maybe they, you have to stay patient with them. Things won't last forever. This will shift, this will change. So yeah, it's a great energy, friends. It's absolutely great energy, and you have a loyal heart. I see a friend returning back to you, someone you have lost touch with, you haven't talked in a long while. That person could be connecting back with you. Let us see your advice for the next 48 hours. Oh wow, music for manifesting. That's brilliant, friends. I do see that you are stuck from a long time in some situation, some challenges. Maybe it's money, maybe it is career, maybe you want to travel towards your future, education, future, travel to a new city or abroad for work, etc. You are trying to manifest something, friends. You are trying to manifest. Maybe it's love, maybe it's a wedding, maybe it's a new job, more money. Whatever you are trying to manifest rapidly, think of your desire while you chant, hum, sing, or play music. So music is helping you to manifest your things. I also feel next 48 hours are going to be happy and playful, and you might listen to more music, or you might sing, or someone might sing for you, send you a song. Probably it might be our channel Magic Wednesday Tarot. Let me think of a song right now for you. Why not? Which song, angels, for pile number one? Oh wow. They thank you, angels. They are saying the song "We Don't Talk Anymore" by Charlie Puth. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Please excuse that. "We Don't Talk Anymore." It is a very popular song. Please go and find its lyrics or listen to that song. Whatever you are manifesting, friends, it is going to come true for you. Keep manifesting. You are on the right path. Your wishes are going to come true. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Like this video if you enjoyed the new setup. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. Join our new channel Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi Urdu channel. And friends, this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful Lion King, look at that, what a king it is, amazing. Let's see what will happen in the next 48 hours for you, and how things will be. Let's see that. This is your advice for the next 48 hours. Let's see your cards. This is an extra card. We are going to see it. Nine of Winter. Ooh. The Dreamer. That's nice. The Balance. Wow. Eight of Summer. Okay. The Five of Summer. The Prince of Spring. And the Princess of Spring. That is very interesting. Look at this card. It's beautiful. Wow, friends. Next 48 hours, friends, you are going to be super passionate. Yes, you are going to be very passionate. Very passionate. Very ambitious. Very bold. I feel, friends, right now you are missing someone. I definitely feel you are unhappy, a little sad, little upset about something in life. I also feel some of you are also, I think you have recently moved on from a situation, like you had a breakup, or you moved on from a relationship, or from a marriage which was toxic, or a relationship which was toxic, or work environment which was toxic. You are trying to move on, or you have moved on, but you are still slightly unhappy because you do love them, you miss that person or that job, or you liked it in some way. I definitely feel in the next 48 hours, you might miss, you will think about these things from the past, things which have caused you hurt or pain. If you had a recent breakup, you will think about it, like how and what went wrong. Um, if you walked away from someone or if someone walked away from you, you will think about it. And some of you may also feel a little, I feel two energies, friends, here. Some of you can feel very emotional in the next 48 hours, or some of you, 50% of you, can feel very, very passionate in the next 48 hours. So, either too much of emotions, too high, too low, or too much of passion, like, um, you feel too much aggressive, too much of passion, too much of boldness, you don't like to sit, you want to go out, a bit of restless energy. I also feel you could be dealing with a twin flame in the next 48 hours, or a twin flame relationship, because this is like the divine masculine, divine feminine, and or a soulmate, a very important soulmate. Some of you could, if you are married, you could be having some issues with your husband or your wife in the next 48 hours, in the sense that, they may not agree, like some arguments can happen, or you both may not, some sort of a disappointment, like you were counting on a trip, you were counting like it's the, we'll go somewhere, we'll party, or we'll do something, you'll buy us a gift, but they didn't do that, and you might feel a little down, like, oh. I feel like, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you, or you are an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I also feel that a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is very important to you, friends, in the next 48 hours, or you could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Friends, take the signs. If they resonate, good. If they don't, great. Maybe it's part of their energy. Maybe that person is feeling this way because that's why it's coming. Like they are feeling very Aries, Leo, Sag. It's like they are feeling very bold. They are feeling very passionate, very sexy, very impulsive. I also feel like someone from the past may be on your mind in the next 48 hours, or they will try to, contact you, or, they are on your mind somehow or the other, but you want a break from this person, this past situation, someone who has walked away or you have walked away from. You want a new beginning, you want change in your life, and I feel some of you may not be able to do so in the next 48 hours, and it can lead to anxiety, it can lead to restlessness. I think you need to do something in the next 48 hours, something which is new, because you are craving for new things. You are craving for new things, friends. You are craving for freedom. You are craving for new love, new partnerships, new job. You are craving for you are craving for freedom. You are also desiring to fly. You want to fly, you want to be free, you don't want to be this emotional crying over someone, you don't want to be here missing someone, but you are, and it can make you feel a little upset. So find balance, make sure to find a new hobby, perhaps go out and walk a little, or play something, maybe badminton, or maybe anything, just do some yoga or something, or get this, try something new, it will help you, friends. Otherwise you can feel a little stuck and impatient and also upset. I also feel some of you could be working very hard in the next 48 hours. You will be working very, very much on your career, on your education. Some of you could be getting a news that you have been awarded. Like some of you are writing some poetries. I see some of you writing something and winning an award for it. Like you are writing something, maybe a poetry somewhere, or maybe something you are doing which is recognized in the next 48 hours. Maybe it is a small recognition, like some group recognizes or shares your or maybe some school or colleges, universities or office recognizes your hard work and you receive a gift or an award for that. I definitely see you working hard in next 48 hours. I also see that Passions will be very high if you are married. Ooh, passionate time, next 48 hours. Also, I feel your intuition will be very high. You will feel very bold. You will feel very you know, you are the go-getter. But if you are not given the chances, like, you will feel like you want to achieve a lot in next 48 hours. It's like you want to achieve your entire life in next 48 hours. But if this is not happening, or like if the opportunities are not coming, you can feel restricted. You can feel some anxiety. So take care of that. A new start is coming for you. You are in between, and this is just a time, you know, between the phases. Something new will begin soon. This is your time to plan. This is the time to stay balanced. Let's see your extra card. I definitely feel if you are talking about work, you will be very passionate, you will be unstoppable, you will be very ambitious. So be careful, don't go over the top in spending or something. Be careful, stay balanced. And some new starts are coming. They are in the work for you. You are working for them. They will come into your life in few months or maybe in a month. Higher power, number 4. See, destiny is very important, you know, your connection to spirituality, to God, or why something didn't work out. You are going to think about it in the next 48 hours. Higher power. God is guiding you. God is taking your hand and leading you towards your path, and you will feel that in the next 48 hours. You may be worried why some things ended, why someone left you, why you missed them, why you loved them, why the job didn't work out, why they maybe some of you have lost your jobs, you are unhappy. But you know, there is God, there is a higher power. You were protected from that job. You are being directed to a new path. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your talent, and work on something new, friends. Work on something new in the next 48 hours. I'm saying it again because otherwise you can become very sad or very upset or very restless. I see that. So make sure to use the energy. New starts. You are starting a new adventure. Run free and take a leap of faith. See? Some of you may be attracting a new person, or maybe 2 or 3 new people from social media, people you talk with, but you will feel like, no, I don't want to talk. No, I don't want to talk because we have been here. We have been let down. I don't want to talk, but you know, you should still try and see how who they are or how it is going, because things can work out for you, friends. There is a lot of passion. You can do anything in next 48 hours, trust me. Let's see your advice. I think it's very necessary, your advice, because the way I see you, it's like, oh my God, you are the Simba, the Lion King and the Queen. Look at this. I surely won't be getting in your path in the next 48 hours. I'm on my happy space here. Not coming near you, friends. I don't know what you guys are gonna do. Because you are these mighty kings. Look at this. Mighty queen. Nice. You're gonna feel your power, or you will show your power, friends. Trust me. If someone is messing with you in the next 48 hours, you are like, boom. Boom. I don't know what it means, but it's like you're like, see who I am. I'm the Lion King. I'm the Lion Queen. Oh, wow. You are powerful, friends. You are powerful. You have a lot of power in the next 48 hours, but you can use it for emotions or your passion. It's up to you. Let's see your advice. Break free. Oh my God. Perfect. Try different ventures and experiences as a way to grow and learn. This is beautiful, friends. It's time for you to try new people, meet some new ideas, join some new classes, maybe online classes. Some of you are also waiting for some school, you know, or some certifications or some promotions or some new job letters. It's going to come. Also, friends, if some path or some relationship or some door has closed in your life recently, it is because higher powers are guiding you to something better. So remain positive, friends. Remain positive and value yourself. You are amazing. You are this beautiful prince or the princess of spring. You are the queen or the kings. So value yourself. We truly do that. And friends, don't forget to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. If you like the setup, please like the video. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is it for now. And join our new channel, Hindi Urdu channel, Magic Vans Tarot Hindi. And friends, if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 3, let's see this beautiful doggy, this beautiful dog. This is option number 3. Next, how your next 48 hours will be. Let's see that. It's a beautiful, I don't know which, poodle dog. It's a poodle. So this is your advice. These are your extra cards. Let's see your cards first. The Hermit. Wow. This is such a beautiful card. Look at this. The Hermit. Ooh, the life experience. Ooh. Purple. Look at this. Purple. It's matching. Ace of Summers. Ooh la la. Mighty. The Six of Springs. Look at this. Again, a dog and a happy one. And the 8 of Winter, and the 4 of Winter, and Release. Oh my God, now that's huge. Friends, next 48 hours are very important for you, so I would suggest you to come back again, and I know it's going to be spot on accurate for you, but please make sure to come back again and confirm the reading, because and also to note down the main points of this reading in your diary or somewhere, because next 48 hours are important, very important for you. I feel like some of you have ended recently a relationship or a marriage, or you are trying very hard to come out of a situation. It's like it's not yet over, but you are struggling to get it over. You are struggling right now. I feel like you are stuck somewhere because we have the 8 of Winter. I feel like you are right now feeling like you are caged. You are like a bird which is caged, and you want to end certain things in life. Maybe a love situation, maybe some belief system, maybe some negative toxic partnerships, friendships. You want to change something, like maybe you are not working but you want to start working. Maybe you are in 9 to 5 job, you want to do a business. You are not happy wherever you are. There is a need to release. You want to end something. You want to fly. You want to, be free. I also feel that next 48 hours you may feel a little lethargic, a little lazy, or you may need to sleep a little, because I feel you are working, stressing a lot, hard working a lot. So you might need to sleep on things, sleep on your decisions, or just take some extra rest in the next 48 hours, because I do see you have been struggling since a long time. A lot of, you have 3 major arcanas, and these are the most toughest major arcanas. You have the Death, the life experience, and Hermit. Some of you are grieving. Maybe you have lost. Sorry to say this, friends, but Magic Vans Tarot has to say the truth, friends. I can't lie. That's not who I am. You know that, and it's not fair to you if I lie or cheat. So I feel like something has ended. Maybe you are grieving. You have lost a pet dog or a cat or someone in the family. You are still not over them. So please take your time to sleep, nourish yourself, get some sleep. Maybe you are trying to get out of a health situation. Some of you are trying to heal, recover, make your health a priority, or maybe you are working too much. So get some rest. It will be good for you to get some good night sleep, or some extra vitamin D, the sunlight, or take a nap in the day. It will be important. I also feel, friends, next 48 hours you might feel like, working, you might feel antisocial, you might want to work alone because, I feel like you want to be alone, working on your plans, you don't want to be disturbed, you won't feel like socializing a lot, but you will also be receiving some sort of a praise or some sort of a appraisal or something, some money, some compliments are coming your way, friends, in the next 48 hours. But people will want you to come out, socialize with them, people will want you, your parents, your family, your lovers, your friends, everyone wants you out in the party zone in the next 48 hours, but you'll be like, nah, I'm pretty happy, I'm snuggling, I'm cozy here, I'm cozy. But you will actually not want to socialize, but people will force you, like, come out and party with us, or come out and talk with us, your family, your friends. So it is that energy where you have to balance things out. I also feel there is the tower coming, so maybe some of you have a tower moment in the next 48 hours. Something unexpected may happen, especially regarding something related to work. You may get some unexpected news regarding your work, like some of you were studying for a course, but it was never, you were never promoted, or you were never passing that exam, but something will shift in the next 48 hours, some sort of a promotion, some sort of a good news, some reward of your past hard work is coming your way, and very unexpectedly, very, very unexpectedly. It would be like, someone in the 48 hours call you, hey, we have a job vacancy, it's tomorrow, can you come? And they interview you, bam, it's yours. If you don't go, you'll be like, what? You'll be a little shocked, you'll be a little surprised. So tower movements can happen, sudden things are coming. I also feel, friends, it is not just in work, it is also in love. Some tower movements are coming. Someone may suddenly propose you out of the blue. Ace of Cups. Someone may definitely can propose you out of the blue, or some of you could be, you can propose someone you like in the next 48 hours. I also feel some of you may decide to, like, there is, it feels like very sudden, like, I don't know how to say this. It is like maybe recently you have met someone, and some tower movements can happen in that new relationship of yours, or in that new partnership, or in that new job. If it has not happened yet, if you have already met someone new, whether it is in work or love, you may have a tower moment with them. So be careful, stay patient. I also feel, friends, some of you, your fears, your fears will be tested. I don't know how to say that in simpler words. um, Definitely, friends, some proposals are coming your way, or you may wonder about why some things are ended, why things have ended. So there is a chance of an ending or a new beginning. Both are together. Look at this. Endings, new beginnings. It both can be yours. The choice is up to you. You often ask me what is the choice. Friends, I can't tell you what you have to do. I can only show you the path. It's up to you what you have to do eventually. I can show you the energies. I can show you, I'm like the light which is on the road. I can show you the path, but eventually you have to walk it. So there is two energies, friends. There may be an ending as a tower movement, a sudden unexpected thing will come and something may end, a job, a relationship, a marriage. Sorry to say that, but for others of you, something new may start suddenly out of the blue. Maybe you will propose someone, or someone has secret feelings for you already. They will come out suddenly and tell you. It will be a shock, it will be a surprise. I would say that take your time making any decisions in the next 48 hours. Think about it, but be quick, but at least think over it. Don't make rash decisions. Let's see your extra card. No place like home. Number 50. I definitely feel some of you are missing home. You are desiring a new home, or something like, you know You want someone that feels like home, maybe a relationship or a job or a place, new house itself. You are missing your home in the next 48 hours, or someone that is your home, Ace of Cups. Also, you will be a homebody. You will not want to celebrate. Someone will ask you to come and meet them, socialize with them, but you will be like, ah, nah, I'm happy at home. I'm watching a movie with popcorns. That's your ideal thing to do next 48 hours. But there are sudden, I will take a clarifier, friends, because there is the tower, there is the, some of you are grieving, friends. I told you, something will, you will find a closure on that. If your heart is heavy about an ending in your life, you will find some relief there. Angels, clarify the tower. Okay. The world. Long distance relationships, long distance marriages, long distance, people are important for you. News from away, news or education from other countries, other cities are important for you. Definitely you are going to get a closure in some situation. You are hurting, and you want that a new start or a closure. So both can happen. The choice is either an or. Please clarify the life experience, the Tower card. Seven of Rods. You have to be defensive. See, someone could test you a little in the next 48 hours. You're maybe at work, someone may suddenly say some politics may come up, or some some sudden exams may come up, or some sudden projects have come up in your education, or someone suddenly proposes you. It just completely wakes you up, like what's going on. So, or also people will be like, no, come outside, play with us, have some fun. So you will be like, no, I want to be left alone, I don't have time. Some of you could also be becoming teachers or graduates or something like that. Learn it, extra learning is there. Let's see your advice, friends. Let's see your advice. Set your sights higher, increase your standards. Don't expect less from yourself. Don't settle. Yes, friends, you can achieve anything. You can absolutely achieve anything in your life. I think you are worried because in the past things were not working for you. So you doubt yourself that whether you will find that marriage, that happy relationship, or that new home, or the better job. You are a little worried. But friends, set your sights higher. Don't settle. Don't settle, friends. I am telling you, the Tower moment can be like someone proposes you, but you are lonely, so you will grab it and you will be like, oops, what happened? So be careful, be very careful, and don't settle for less just because of, increase your standards, expect more of yourself. I feel like it's also about your work. You are like not wanting to explore more options because you have the world, you have opportunities waiting for you in the world where you may want to work where you are. You may be happy working where you are, but angels say the world is yours. So go for it. The next 48 hours can bring you some good news, some shake-ups, some amazing news, love offers. It's a lot going on, friends. Do come back and tell me how this reading resonated with you. Subscribe our channel Magic Vans Tarot if you like the setup, like this video. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends, and join our new channel Magic Vans Tarot Hindi Urdu channel. The link is in the timestamps. This is Mystic C saying bye.